back here through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
Alrighty, so the D11 is Zachary Dayton. You will have the 10Z. That's going to be our friend from Australia. He's missing as we're going to get ready to go. You'll have the number 33 at Travis Mills. NX Legend cars. Street Stocks, you're on deck. Street Stocks, you're on deck. And then we'll start the Mini Wedge Heats. Mini Wedge Heat, you'll be after the Street Stocks. Alrighty, so as we're getting this thing ready to go, you got John Rogers in that number 13 machine. And you got the number 4 up, Brandon Haga. And it'll be the number 23 machine of Chris Warden. Those are going to be, we have 4 of them. We got missing data on the 1, but we'll got more hot lap session for the NX Legend cars here at the Beckley Speedway. And we are ready to go. Green, white, checkered here for these hot laps. White flag going to be near here for the NX Legend cars as it's still all Zachary Dayton. Quick time so far with a 16.202 as it's Travis Mills with a 16.381 as it's still Dayton as he is still going to be your quick time car. Checkered flag is in the air for the second session of warm-ups here for the NX Legend cars. So the street stocks are here showing up. We should have a few of them going to be coming down. I'll get a couple of names here in just a minute. Alrighty, so the street stocks will be hitting the line here. You got the number 47 of George Pierce going to be starting things off, and Bobby Hicks at number 52. You're going to have the number 3 machine. That will be... should be lining up next. Alrighty, so more street stocks here at the Beckley Speedway as we're getting ready to rock for more hot laps for your street stocks. You got the number 50 machine. That'll be Mark Snodgrass. You'll have the 240 of Wayne Collins. Brandon Collins going to be right there behind him in number 6. Trenton Salago. I wonder if that is related to TJ. It's his son, actually. So Trenton Salago, his son, out there in the number 18 street stock. And Gary Chappell in that number 10 machine. So the street stocks are going to be making their way here at the Beckley Speedway as we are ripping green flag this time around. Tyler Meadows still the quick time with a 16.120. George Pierce with a 16.435. 16.435 for George Pierce and Teddy Richardson out there with a 16.664. Your top 3. We got one spun around in turns 1 and 2. That's the number 19 machine. And we are ready for do some qualifying here for the NX Legend cars at the Beckley Speedway. Brandon Haga on that number 4 is going to start them off, and you'll have the number 13 of John Rogers. Chris Mills in the 30C for qualifying as we are green flag this time by. Brandon Haga's hard on the wall in turns 3 and 4 and gets the quick time so far with a 17.324. 17.324 for Brandon Haga as the number 30. That's going to be Dirk Snuffer. Snuffer's going to go second quick with a 17.324, actually 16.944 at this time. John Rogers there with a third quick with a 29.23. Oh, no, we got the 30 of Chris Mills spinning out. But so far, he is your quick time at this time of the 16.776 going to the checkered flag. Alrighty, so we're going to get this thing ripping one more time as it's Chris Mills. So far, your quick time to 16.776. 16.776. So that's going to be the number 30 of Dirk Snuffer going to be on the Speedway here for qualifying. You'll have the number 23 of Chris Warden. Travis Mills in that number 30 T will be in the back of the coming out there as well. And we are ready to go green, green, green here for your NX Legend cards here at the Beckley Speedway. So is Dirk's first time going to be on the board. Dirk's going to go with a 17.024. Good enough for third quick at this time. Chris Warden, quick time with a 16.702. 16.702 for Chris Warden. As the number 30 ride out, Dirk Snuffer is going to go with a 16.909. Chris Warden's going to go even faster with the 16.702. New quick time. It's going to be Travis Mills with a 14.465. Travis Mills with a 16.465. Your new quick time here for the Legend cards or the NX Legends. So we should have the mini wedges coming to the chute for your guys' feature as we have another round of Zachary Dayton, Shane Greco in the number 33, and our friend from Australia who won last night, the 10Z of Glenn Mitchell. So the D11 is Zachary Dayton is going to get the white flag this time. Quick time with a 16.372. 16.372 quick time for Zachary Dayton. Shane Greco, quick time for Glenn. Alrighty, so the 520 Orion Swiss Hound going to be out here for the qualifying. He'll be the last Legend car here today. So as Ryan Swisshound's going to make his way up on the front stretch, give him the white flag as Ryan Swisshound with a 16.437. 16.437 there. That's going to be good enough for fourth quick at this time. As Ryan Swisshound is up through the middle at turns 3 and 4 for the final time. Checkered flag in the air as Ryan Swisshound going to go still fourth quick with a 16.437. So, ladies and gentlemen, here at the Beckley Speedway, give them a round of applause for the D11 of Zachary Dayton with his quick time of a 16.282. 16.282 will be the quick time award. Shane Greco with a 16.308, and the 1OZ, our friends from Australia, of Glenn Mitchell with a 16.314. Going to be your top three.